Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua very important. This dua is from Hadith book Trimzi. Because we are always suffering in problems, and problems are due to our desires. When our desires are not met, we become so much anxious and so much worry about that, and then we try to feel it like illful way, and that is not a good thing, because our nafs and the desires of nafs, those are not good. Mostly the nafs desires are just for this world and the lust of this world. Mostly the people, they have lust of sexual desires, lust of food, lust of greed of these worldly things, lust of being rich in their future life, and they like to be prominent, famous, and they like to pretend before other people their way of life, lifestyle, show off, and something like this. So like these type of things will make us away from the Islamic circle, the circle of Sharia, which has been fixed. We are not to stick there. We came out of that. So when we are coming out from the circle of Sharia, automatically that is kufr. So this is nafs, which makes us to go away from Islam. This way in Surah Jasiya, Allah said that there is a afar ayata manittakhadha hawahu. So the people who are, Allah said, have you seen those people who are under the desire of nafs? What happened if you look at the Surah Jasiya, ayat number 23, you will understand that those people who have desire of nafs, Allah stamp their hearts. Their heart, they can't accept any reality of haqq or good things. And their ears are blocked. They listen or hear something that no effect on you, that goes away from the other ear out. Even their eyes are blocked. They are under the veil, because they have no no differentiation of good and bad, halal and haram. So they are so much ill in this worldly life. This way we are just to request Allah with this dua. Inshallah, Allah will bless us protection from the desire of the nafs, the evils and sins of our nafs, and streamline us on Sirat Mustaqim. We start this dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahumma alhimni rushdi wa aizni min sharri nafsi. Allahumma alhimni rushdi wa aizni min sharri nafsi. Allahumma, O Allah, alhimni, bless me, rushdi, the right guidance, wa aizni, and protect me, min sharri nafsi, from the sins of my nafs. Allahumma alhimni rushdi wa aizni min sharri nafsi. So very good dua. Try to teach this one to your children, to your family members, to your relatives, and also spread in your friends and in the Muslims, so that they should be careful from the desire of the nafs, and they request Allah just for protection from those desires which make the person out of the circle of Sharia. And this is the main thing, because we need Sirat Mustaqim, the right guidance. So Allah will bless right guidance and save us from the sins of our nafs if we follow this dua every day with every prayer, every salah, and inshallah you will be protected and will be at right guidance with the mercies of Allah, with the blessings of Allah. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.